Traders, ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you to our last section of this week. Traders, I am Samuel Ngon, and I'm tuning in here. It's almost 25 minutes past 9 p.m. Eastern Time, ladies and gentlemen. This is our last day of this week. We're closing the trading session, traders. Overall, we can say that the week wasn't too bad, even though we had a winning trade on on Sunday. But Monday we didn't have a winner. Monday was red, because let's take it all over again. Sunday was good, Monday red, Tuesday was break even, Wednesday break even, and today we don't know yet. So that is what we have here as a menu for I can say that if I can recap for the 4 last days. And today we don't know what we are expecting because we tune in here late, and probably we can push it up to 11 if there is a movement in the market, traders. So since our channel is bilingual, I will never forget, I have to welcome those in French as well. Mesdames, Mesdemoiselles, Messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue une fois de plus ici sur notre chaîne Trade Africa. Et je suis Samuel Ngon et bienvenue encore sur cette dernière session du trading. Comment apprendre à trade? Chers traders, nous avons passé 4 jours déjà. Et aujourd'hui, c'est le 5e jour, la dernière journée. Et nous avons ouvert notre chaîne à partir de, nous pouvons dire que il est 25 minutes. Voilà, 21h25, temps de New York. Alors, peut-être nous allons pousser jusqu'à 23h, si possible, dépendant du mouvement que nous aurons pour acheter. Alors, comme je disais la semaine-ci a été un peu difficile, mais pas totalement, puisque dimanche a été une bonne journée, mais lundi, nous avons perdu, nous avons eu une journée en rouge qui veut dire que la perte, et mardi a été un nul, match nul, un petit vert, mercredi un petit vert. Alors aujourd'hui c'est jeudi qui est la dernière journée, la 5e. Donc qu'est-ce que nous pouvons nous attendre à cette heure-ci? Ça fait les 4 heures de notre présentation ici, notre tendance, qu'on appelle en anglais le chart. Donc nous voyons que nous sommes à la descente complètement. Alors, mais nous voyons déjà un petit vert d'espoir. Nous allons continuer à observer et voir ce que ce vert nous réservera. Trader, this is the 4 hours chart. As you can see here, we can call this one the consolidation, but 4 hours, this is the range where the market is trading on the 4 hours. We're going now to scale down because we don't have a lot of time. We see that we're on the downtrend, but we might see the rebounds as we can witness here right now. We might see any rebounds here as we're going up. Traders, we're already on the resistance at that point, and also we have also many other resistance here on the US Japanese, but we are open on Australia Japanese and Euro Japanese is open. So we'll focus on those and see. Let me now scale 5-minute chart here, because that is what we use to typically to trade the 5-minute. So if this was the opening, I could have expected to go all the way to my technical analysis. So, but since this time I don't really know, I haven't mastered this time, you know, when we trade at this hour, I don't have a data about it, but we need to wait and see what we are going to have here, traders. So a lot of patience. Let's find a pattern, chart pattern, and see if we can have some kind of chart pattern here, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we're high now. We're having high, low, high, lower, low, and lower high, lower, low, and low high, lower, low, and low high. Here as well, lower, low, and low high, lower, low, and low high. Here as well, we have a lower, lower, and lower high. Let me now place my trend line here. If you have placed my trend line, let's see what the trend line gives us here, traders. This is my trend line. Okay. I place my trend line. Okay, we broke the trend line here, traders. Trend line is broken here. We need to see a chart pattern before we involve, traders. Okay, we broke the trend line, second trend line. We need to see if we can okay, we broke another trend line there. So we already broke the trend line from Australia Japanese, broke the trend line, Euro Japanese broke, and US Japanese broke the trend line. We remain here on the, so I'm going to go long here. I'm not quite sure, but the risk, but I'm going to try to see if I can go long on Euro Japanese, and my stop gotta be below this candle. So let's see if we're gonna get it to the 50. So because we broke the trend line, let me also see on the Australia Japanese as well. Place my stop below here, these two candles. Okay, US Japanese still there. It's already a little bit above on the resistance, so I don't want to chase it. I will wait for the pullback on the US Japanese. So let's see. I'm in on 2 trades, ladies and gentlemen, because the reason I took those trades is because they broke the trend line. That is why I jump on it. I'll wait here. If it break correctly, I will also take it for long on my GBP. So I'll wait for US Japanese. In case it pull back, I will go long as well. So trader, we're watching here. We're watching. So Japanese for long. Euro Japanese for long. Let's see. Let's see if we're going to hold. Maybe we're going to have a retest on the trend line. I don't know. Let me place my stop here properly. I'm going to place it here at the bottom of this candle. Yeah, that's good. So like this one. Let's watch and see. Watching. My eyes is also here on GBP in case start pulling away from those support. I might go long as well. When it start pulling away, yes. When it start pulling away, the break here start pulling away, I will see if I can go long. US Japanese are waiting to break here. In case it break, I may go long as well. But pull back also. I'm waiting. I don't want to take here. So ici dans deux trades, trader ici dans US Japanese, Australia Japanese et Euro Japanese. Donc j'attends les autres. Si pour rentrer en arrière, peut-être si se présente un peu mieux, je pourrais entrer aussi. Mais pour l'instant, je prends d'abord les deux. J'attends US Japanese qui retourne vers le bas ici. S'il pouvait revenir ici, je pouvais le prendre pour la montée. Voilà, on attend, voir. Observe. Yes. Okay, I place my limit order there. My stop is here. Let's see a retest. see. I'm in 2 trades now. I'm trying to get involved in the third one. US Japanese. I enter US Japanese, ladies and gentlemen, for the long. US Japanese for long, USA Japanese, and also Euro Japanese. Let's see. I took them because they broke the trend, and I took them for long. They might not work, but you know, we're gonna see. My stop are here. This is each one have my stop there on the system, which is my money management. So we need to wait and see. My stop also on US Japanese here below. So let's watch for long. I have 3 positions now. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see. Watching 3 positions for long. US Japanese, Euro Japanese, USA Japanese for long. I'm trying to see if GBP break here. I'm going to go long as well on GBP. Watching. Trying to see if I can go long on GBP. I know that the time is almost 10. The volume might be going down. It's difficult to maybe to expect something, major things now. You know, it looks like it's reversing. But let's see. Lack of volume, but let's wait and see. I'm coming close to my stop on USA Japanese. Close. Maybe I gotta have my first losing trade on USA Japanese traders. So I'm gonna take it. Okay, I'm out of Australia Japanese with the loss, traders. So let's see the two other one. Let's see. I stop on Australia Japanese have been triggered. Happen that when you get into the trade where you enter, this is where you reverse. It always happen. You know, look at how we have this from here to here. Well, no problem, but reaching here for the continuation because it broke here the trend line. I enter here, so you can see what's happening now. It's a reverse after breaking the trend line, which is a good technical analysis. Traders. So if you come to retest this, gotta get out of the trade. So but let's see. We might have a bull flag there. Let me take a loss again on the Euro Japanese. Yes, Euro Japanese. Because we have in here, we had lower, lower, and lower high. Lower, lower, and lower high. Lower, lower, and lower high, and lower, lower. The problem is that this lower high broke the trend. You know, it broke completely broke the trend. That is the reason why I took the trade for the upside. Like here, this one did the same. Because we're learning here, ladies and gentlemen, we need to learn the patterns, what happened in the market. Because when we see the pattern, lower, lower, and lower high, lower, lower, and lower high, and now we have lower, lower here. We have the high broken the previous high. It might be a change of direction. Yes, it might be a change. Likewise here, if you can see here, we have lower, lower, lower high, lower, lower, lower high, lower, lower, and lower high. And now we came here. This high tried to break, but this one didn't break the previous one. I was expecting to enter this trade if it were broken the previous high. You know, I was pretending to enter it, but this one was good. We have here lower, lower, and lower high, lower, lower, and lower high, and we have our trend line here, ladies and gentlemen. For example, if I can wide it, so let me place it here. Okay, we have these traders. You can see that we have a lower here. We place our trend line here because what we need in the market is some kind of patterns, trade patterns. Because when we have a trade pattern, trade patterns, we can do it. We can still watch it to see it again, and again and again. So that will help us to have a data. We shouldn't enter the trade without any patterns. So when you take a patterns and that pattern doesn't work, you cannot blame yourself because you took a nice pattern, but it didn't just work for one reason or another. So I took this pattern, it was nice, it broke the trend here. It means that change of direction. Now we're going to start having higher high and higher low, because we were having lower low and lower high, lower low and lower high, lower low and lower high, and now it came here, broken this resistance, which gotta become a support, show us a change of direction. That is why I took long on this trade, because now we're having a higher and higher low. We're going to have another higher and higher low, and continue, upward. So that is, I'm just explaining myself to show you guys the reason why I entered this trade. It wasn't bad. If it doesn't work, that's fine. I will not blame myself because I did what I was supposed to do. A good trader is supposed to do. I did it. So it didn't just work for maybe one reason or another. Maybe because there's not volume in the market. Maybe because, a lot of reason. Because it's not because you have a good pattern that the trade is going to work. But you have to try, because trading is a probability. You don't know the outcome before you enter the trade. You never know the outcome. So what you have to do is that if you see any patterns you recognize, you just take the trade and place your stop where you have to be. You're going to blame yourself if you didn't take a trade according to good pattern. Means what? According to the good entry. So I entered this trade here because it broke, and according to me it was holding. It tried to keep going. Now it's pulling back here. But another person, another trader could have waited to see if there is a pullback. But don't forget, there are some trades, they never pull back. When they break like this, they keep just going. That is the reason why I entered the trade. So let's see, because we are here to learn, let's see the outcome of those trades, because I'm already out of this one. This one as well, I took it when it broke here. Let me widen it a little bit. Yes, likewise this one, I took this trade because it broke this trend line, trader. When it broke the trend line, I entered the trade. And apparently the trade came here, came down, because my stop was below this candle. And the trade came down and kicked me out. That's fine. I'm going to re-enter it, especially if I see that it start coming to place a high and high low. If I see another high here, I may re-enter this trade for long. So, but let's see. Let's see what the other one going to do. Trader, we need to keep data. We need to keep data. That will help us in the future. Because don't forget, I said process of trading is more important than the outcome. The process, because you have to keep the process. You have to remember your process. You have to try to process your trading very well. Don't care, about the outcome at this point. That is why we're recommending you guys to take a small position. Don't take a large position, because we're still learning. Like me, you see here, I'm taking 0.01. This is the micro lot, the last one. I have possibility I can take one lot here, even two, but that will not help me, because if I have a loss here, I'm going to lose a lot. But this is not the time to make money. We're not here right now to make money. We're here to learn the process, the skill, We need that skill. When we're going to have the skill, trust me, we will make money. We will make money here, and we're going to make it because we're doing good things. That is why we invite you guys to come and join us to learn together. So let's watch the outcome of these two remaining trade. And if this one come here to break here, I will go long as well. I don't want to go long right now. I want him to confirm that he's coming above this line of resistance so that I can go long. So let's watch now my two other remaining trade, US Japanese and Australia Japanese. So this one as well, I'm waiting to see. I need to take this one in case he break this one as well. If you break here, I will go long. This one he break here, I go long. I don't want to go long here before he go there. All right, we see now. Good. We see a volume coming in, which is good, great. So let's see. I'm going to go long on this one in case it break here. This one pull back a lot. So I'm forced to wait for him to get above this line. That is how I trade. That is my process. I need a reason why I'm taking long a trade. I don't just want to take it because I saw the other one moving up, because it's still below the resistance. It might turn here and keep going down. I don't want that. I prefer to wait for him to come above here. So let's watch and see, traders. This one as well, GBP. If GBP come above here, I'm going to take it for long position, ladies and gentlemen. Trading is a plan. Yeah, you need a plan to trade. You need to have a plan and respect your plan. This one I was in, it kicked me out here. It came down. I can't join it here because I need it to be above my resistance area in order to keep going. This one as well, I want it to be here. If you break here, keep going, I will go long as well. So watching. Watching. See that was just a retest here. So I was not wrong. To take a long position here. I was not wrong. You can see how it consolidated here and now it broke here. Now we're having a good result. So let's pay attention. Je disais, trader, que nous devons avoir les raisons pour lesquelles nous entrons dans un trade, surtout lorsque le trade nous a mis dehors, comme celui-ci. Alors j'attends qu'il vienne au-dessus d'ici, parce que le trading, c'est le plan. Je dois avoir un bon plan. Mon plan, c'est de le prendre. Comme il m'a enlevé ici, j'attends qu'il dépasse ce niveau. Ainsi de suite, celui-ci, même chose. S'il casse là, c'est là où je vais m'intéresser. Voilà. Watching, trader, long position. Chin for long, US Japanese for long, Euro Japanese for long. Those are two trades I'm in. and I'm expecting to take long GBP Japanese as well as Australia Japanese. See what I said? Imagine that I enter the trade here, I could already start coming down. So it's not something I want to see. So that's the reason why I didn't take those two trades, because they were still in dangerous area. That is why. So let's see if we're going to have a push up. Already 10 p.m. Eastern time. Trader. In the meantime, we encourage people, you guys, especially if you're new to our channel, we here Sunday from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Monday 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Tuesday 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Thursday we tune in here around 9:20, to 11 p.m. So those are the day we're here. We encourage you guys to join us to learn how to trade for free, and subscribe to our channel if you like it. Share our video, comment, ask questions. If you have questions, we'll be happy to answer in the best of our ability. Okay. You see how we're coming down now. That is one of the reasons I didn't take these two trades, because I'm still saying that we were in the dangerous area, So if I took this trade, I could have placed my stop below this candle. So right now, I'm already out of the trade for the second time. See that I was sometime right to not taking this trade, because this is where I was supposed to place my stop below here. Let's watch and see. Trading at this hour of time is very difficult, because there is not a lot of volume. People who trade during the day I tell you that there is a lot of volume during the day. Let's say from 8, because that time London and New York are open, so there's a lot of volatility, so you won't stay a long time in the trade before you get hit. So, but at this time things are very slow, very slow. You need to exercise patience, a lot of patience here. Anyway, we're learning skill, we're learning also how to exercise patience. It's important to become a profitable trader. Voilà. Je disais que maintenant les choses sont très calmes. Et dans la journée, vers 8 heures, puisque Londres est ouvert avec New York, les choses sont un peu plus rapides. Voilà. Let's see. We're moving up. If I break here and hold, I will go long on GBP. So let's see. Here I need to go long. I might come back. I might reduce because I already have another resistance here, traders. I already have another resistance at this part. Here I might lower now because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candle. Okay, if I break now this resistance, I may go long there, traders. I wait if I see breaking here because I already have reason to take here because this is another resistance, which is like a support. So I may go long at this level. But I will need to break there and break here as well. Break here and break here. Otherwise, I wouldn't go long. Watching. Great. GBP. Now I can take there and place my stop below I went to long with GBP and my stop gotta be below here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going also to take long on my trade here and place my stop below as well. Now I have a reason to take those traders. I have a good reason to take them. So let's see. I have now reason to go long. Because they're trying to break. Even though they don't, I will understand. Okay. Now, great. Good move. Watching, traders. I'm in 4 trade now for long. For trade for long, traders. Let's see. And my target, I haven't talked about it. My target here is on this yellow line, traders, at this time. This one can go here. I'll place my target here, traders. This one as well. But I don't know if I can go to get it, but I can place it. You can see how my trade is coming down. So this one as well. This is my target here. So let's see. Trade never go up once, keep going up and down. That is how the chart does. So you need to have habit to bear all those movements, have custom to bear them, to know that that is how they do, and stick on them. Let's see. Watching. Long. Have 4 trade now, traders. Let's see where they are heading. If I lose those trades, I'm going to understand to take it because I had reason to enter the trade. It was a good trading pattern, so it wasn't bad. It showed that change of direction, so that is why I took the trade. Let's watch traders and see. This is our last day of trading session. We are even lucky to see this trading pattern. We're lucky because last Thursday there were nothing. So let's see. Watching. Great move. Watching. I'm in 4 trade, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see how they're gonna move. Let's be patient and see how they're moving. We need US Japanese to take the lead, keep going, because he used to. So that is why one need to break the 200 EMA and continuation straight to the 150 SMA. We don't want the pullback, but since it always happens, there is a custom, so we need to deal with it. Watching. Watching 4 trade for the long. US Japanese, Euro Japanese, GBP Japanese, and Australia Japanese. Long position. After today's session, we're going to be here on Sunday. We can tune in around 6:45 p.m. So you guys can, tune in with us. Keep continuing learning how to trade. And our target is to, get to the end of this year. The end of this year, we have to become a profitable traders. That is our target. The end of this year, keep doing like this, and following rules, trading every day, I think our trading skill going to improve a lot. That is why we invite you guys to not miss any session. Keep coming, and so that all together we're going to learn who can get that skill, a good skill of traders. Voilà. Tous les jours, nous serons ici. Les jours ouvrables, donc dimanche prochain, nous serons là vers 18h30, 45, temps de New York. Alors nous vous invitons à être là avec nous. L'objectif, c'est de finir cette année, en finissant cette année, qu'on devienne des traders profitables, des professionnels. Et c'est possible. Très possible. Très possible. On se met là tous les jours et faire ce qu'il faut. Pulling back. I'll stop it there. Where I'll stop in the market. I can readjust a little bit my stop from US Japanese. Take it a little bit up because I'm already in profit in US Japanese. So let's see. Watching. If I lose these 4 trades, I will take them. I'll take the loss because I won't blame myself because I did what I was supposed to do. Things did not just work. So when you do what you were supposed to do, you can't blame yourself, traders. You take it. I took a risk. So that risk is there. I'm happy to take it. Yeah, GBP is not doing good. It's true, but let's give them more time. I know that GBP is still there. It doesn't move. Other people are already trying to break. Even Australian Japanese are not doing much. But let's see. Let's see. This same chart pattern, when you take it maybe at 9 o'clock a.m., 9, 10, 11, this chart pattern going to work very well. But here it doesn't because it's depend on the market. A lot of people don't trade maybe at this time, because we need people. Volume means people. We need retailers and some banks, to push the market up. We need that. When a lot of people buy at the same time, the market moves. But when there are less buyers, the market will not, follow the trend. But let's give them more time and see. Sorry. It's true that at some part of the world it's already maybe morning, like in Vietnam, it's morning there, so people are trading there, people are going to work, so they might also contribute to the volume of the market, which is good. Watching US Japanese, Australia, all our 4 trade seems to move a little bit. Small volume came, so let's see if we're going to continue. We need a breakout on Osai Japanese. We tried to break, but it came back down. We don't want that. We need a complete breakout and go to the second level, break it as well. We need US Japanese to break the 200 EMA. We need that to happen. GBP Japanese is struggling a lot, but hopefully it will break as well and continue with a big volume. Sometimes we used to do like this, it's reluctant, and then when it breaks, it takes the lead, take the lead. So let's watch and see. Maybe it might be the case, who knows? Watching our 4 trade for long. Need to see a break on both, or all of them, even because they are under resistance. All of them are under resistance here. We need to see a break, continuation, a new high. We watching Osai Japanese. It look like you want to break. That is what we want to see. Great. Want to see it keep going. Want to see upside. Watching. GBP also broke. We're moving in the right direction, ladies and gentlemen, but let's keep watching. On observe, command no trade avance. On expert, we want to see another break here, ladies and gentlemen. Want to see this break when it came here. When it come here, you have to break and continue. The upside. Let's watch and see. Watching. You got to remember also that each trade is unique. Each trade is unique in any moment. It means what? Yesterday, if you took trade like this one, and now you were expecting them to go to your target, they didn't go, and maybe the reverse. Today, you have the same trade going like yesterday. You remember that, hey, yesterday, those trades, I was expecting them to go to my target. They didn't go. Okay, I might lose again today. It's better to take my profit here. Yes, you might do that because you remember yesterday, it came, it didn't work out. But you don't know. Trade are not the same. Today, it might be different things, So, it depends of what you want. I think you gotta trade. I gotta treat all trade differently. Trading and trade are not the same. They are different trade. There are some like this. Don't compare them. Don't mix them together. So it's true that this is my last day. I can take my profit here already, saying that, hey, you know what? I want to take my profit here. I don't want to keep waiting because I already in profit. But I want to keep pushing again, trader. I want to see if I can push again a little bit. If it's possible to break there, break here. So let's see. I know that yesterday or 2 days ago, I have the same problem. I was up very well, and unfortunately, came back down. I lost everything. I gave back everything I made because I was expecting to go to my target. It didn't reach my target. Now I came back. I lost everything I made. So maybe I remember. I don't want it to happen today. But if you have to, there will nothing I can do. This time I will see how to take my trade to the breakout. But let's see. It hit my the resistance. Now it's pulling back. Let's see. There's a big resistance here. If it does like the other day, I'm gonna take it, traders. If it does like the other time, it goes like this, come back down, and it go and kick me out, I will take it. I will understand that. I couldn't have, couldn't reach my target. So I'll take it. I'm sacrificing my gain for today. Let's see. watching. Coming back down. We see holding here for the long. I'm still on the 4 traders. When you look at it on the 15 minute, 5 minute, 15, I mean, you can see even here, if I change it to 15, okay, we are here in 15, here as well. Let me change 15. Okay, here as well, 15. So let's watch. you're watching. We need this red candle to turn green, or another candle have to come here and turn green for the upside. And I'll stop there in the market. Let's see. I'll be back. Let's watch, traders. We need all the red candles to turn green. For continuation up. So let's see. Gonna get it. Great. It was Japanese. We need to see a continuation, especially Australian Japanese. You gotta turn green and break the resistance. Great. Beautiful. We need to see the continuation upside. Watching our trade for the upside. Was that Japanese giving us hard time? US Japanese as well, having problem to break. Not easy there. we see that we are on the resistance everywhere here. It's not easy to break. It's not easy. So Japanese is coming again in my stock. I need to see properly here. This might be a big resistance which doesn't want to break here, here as well, and here as well. Like this one, big resistance. So I was expecting to break here, but look like we're not gonna get it. Traders were expecting this one to break, but you can see that since a lot of time, you're not able to do it. Let's give him again another chance if he can. Otherwise, we'll be forced to get out here on the trade. Want to see the upside? Watch, want to see the upside, traders. Hopefully we want to see the breakout there. Great, nice. Want to see a nice breakout. Great. Coming down again. I don't have the strength to break. But I was hoping that this could have break, you know. But it looked like wouldn't get it, traders. So I'm in 4 trade. I was expecting the breakout here, ladies and gentlemen, but it looked like it's coming down again. But let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Wait and see. I'm in Australia Japanese for long, US Japanese for long, GBP Japanese for long, and Euro Japanese for long. So I was expecting that it would break out here and to get to my target, but apparently it's not going to do that. I have to break even. I don't want to you know, give you a chance to, you know, to have a very winning trade, to come to losing one. Let me wait a little bit again. Maybe we might have another push again, you know, who knows? Coming down. So that was a very nice trade. The 4th trade I took, they were nice, but the problem is that I was expecting them to reach my target. They didn't. They're approaching my stops, like Australia Japanese for the 2nd time. You know, traders, I'm going to take it. You know, they're already there. So that is a disappointment for me, because it's true that I haven't get out of the trade, but the way I see the trade trending down, I'm not happy, because I was on you know, good profit, but I was expecting it to break there. That was my target, but it didn't do it. I came now down again on my entry point and then my stop even. So it's because I wanted to stick in my my plan. I know another time I will maybe make it. If I don't make it today, another time it might be possible for me to make it. In case I'm not able to make it today, I will not beat myself up, you know, blame myself, because I had a good plan, but it's just that the plan didn't work out. If it happens, I will take it that way, that my plan didn't work out. It's not because I didn't plan properly. It happens sometimes. You might have a plan on the market, you expect it to work, but sometimes that plan evaporated, you know. So that is what might happen to us today. That was a good plan. I took the trade. That is my target, as you can see here. But when the trade comes here, I'm already on good profit. I'm expecting the trade to come and break at least this resistance, you know, because this trade have been going downtrend since evening, downtrend. So today it might, at least even this time, might at least reverse and start going somewhere, even though it doesn't go far away, it might go at least somewhere and break this resistance and at least somewhere. But currently it's not about to do that. If it doesn't do it, I'm going to accept it that way. But that was my plan. My plan was to break the resistance and go to my target. You might still do it if you want to, but I'm still here. Watching. I'm still here watching. Hopefully it will, give me something. I'm still on the trade, the 4th trade. It became close to my stops, like Osaka Japanese, but I'm still expecting them to do what I was planning, which is to come here and break this resistance, ladies and gentlemen. Even though they don't come to my target here, even though when they break this resistance, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be fine. So let's see. Ladies and gentlemen, je suis dans 4 trades. J'attends encore. Voilà. Peut-être ils vont m'enlever tout à l'heure, mais j'espère. J'attends toujours. Il est 23 heures d'ici peu. Bien. We're approaching now 11 p.m. So if I don't get it, I'm going to understand, but I won't blame myself. I will know that I did what was good. Yeah, I can count this trade as a winning trade. Count them as a winning trade, because if I wanted to take my profit, I could have taken it long time ago, But I can count them as a winning trade. Because I'm in profit. So I know that these three going to go up even after me. I know they're going to go up even after me. It's just a matter of time. They're going to break here and continue upside. So just a matter of time. Watching here, upside. If they come again on the resistance, maybe I will get out of the trade. So let's wait and see. Give me opportunity again. I won't let it go. Let's see. No chance now. I won't let him go. Let's go. It's US Japanese here. Euro Japanese. Maybe that is a break I was looking for, hopefully. Maybe. Maybe this is a break. Okay, I'm gonna take here, traders. Better for me to leave here. So it's already 11. I prefer to stop my trading here, ladies and gentlemen. I was expecting the breakout here, but I didn't get it, ladies and gentlemen. But it's almost 11, and I think we gotta stop here. Anyway, that was the 4 trade. Those 4 trade, I can say that they were good trade, even though they didn't do what they didn't reach my target, but I closed them in profit. I closed them with a profit, but even though the profit didn't go right to my target. So, je disais que j'ai fermé mes trades avec un petit profit, c'est pas mal. J'ai quand même pris quelque chose, c'est bien fait. Alors c'est une bonne chose, traders. I can say that this week I was a break even, yeah, a break even, ladies and gentlemen, almost break even this week, because I traded, but I cannot say that I lost money during this week. It's a progress, it's a good progress, ladies and gentlemen, and we hope that next week we're going to have the same, maybe better. I'm just slightly red, a little bit, compared to the amount I started with, because I noted what I started, but I can say that the process we're not focusing here on the outcome, which is money, but money had just helped us to know, our progress. But mostly we're focusing on the process. We can say that overall the process wasn't bad because it was trading with the stop, with our money management was tight. That is even why we didn't have a lot of big losses. So we're very, very happy with what we had. It's good, and we hope that next week we're going to have more than what we had today. We're going to do better next week. Ladies and gentlemen, it was a pleasure for me to be here. Hopefully we're going to be here on Sunday afternoon again. So 6:45, 6:30, we'll be here, and we invite you guys. Also invite your friend to join us. This is we're still in the beginning here. It got to be a time when maybe it will be crowded. People will not have possibility maybe to ask question or to do whatever. This is the time you guys can ask question as you want. You can ask question. You can comment. It's free. It's free. We're not selling anything here. Our goal is to go and become a professional trader. So, mesdames et messieurs, ça a été un plaisir. Je vais m'arrêter ici. Nous allons nous voir dimanche. Voilà. Vous pouvez aller, vous revoyez les vidéos que nous avions eues et ça va vous aider à améliorer votre trading. Nous allons nous revoir dimanche ici à partir de 19h30 de New York. Merci et au revoir. Bye.